Well, join us as we run here to the Golden State Bonsai Rendezvous 2025 workshop. So join us. We're trying to find it. She's trying to follow me too. There's like. All right, so we're gonna go inside the hotel. We open the door after you, Kelly. We're gonna go upstairs to the workshop area. Upstairs. Yeah, upstairs there. Oh, I know this guy. How you doing, Steve? We're gonna follow these lovely ladies upstairs. Turn the corner here. And then in these rooms, there should be workshops. Here's one workshop. That was Maro Stenberger.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You wire inside, outside.
Here's your tree.
Hi, how are you?
So we got two people here. We got Maro Stenberger and how you doing, Maro? Good to see you, man. Thank you for coming, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Is your wife here? Awesome. Oh. I've been harassed by Fred in the back here. It's all good. So Maro is here as a headliner. He's actually doing a workshop with individuals. Got a nice black pine here. Looks like a California juniper.
Take a long piece.
Another black pine. Really cool collected tree there.
Can you just cut what you need?
Maro comes from Italy, of course. Travel here internationally.
Are you using aluminum wire?
Suthan. Oh, sorry, I couldn't get the name out of my mouth. Suthan here from New England. Working on different trees here. So here's Sue working on one of my old cork oaks.
Another one from Jonas. Jonas is saying he's doing one. He said they're really much better.
Another thing though, when you're widening, right? We're not going to bend the trunk. Better to make one wide and two branches. This is nothing long, but you don't have to show this. Not look good. You need to put this one okay? Because we're not going to bend it. Okay? That's why the angle is better, the pole is better.
I did. You really are. You don't have to grip as hard to get it.
This is Tom's tree. Now it's grown. Here it is.
I'm gonna go down and get it. This is pretty good.
Yeah, the widening is too big for the side. But it's okay. It's work. Yeah, you function. You have to put it back.
You see what Mario's doing over there on the other side.
And later on,
Suthan's talking about the Sika Hodnepka cypress.
Yeah, that is her. That's fine.
Everybody okay?
Do one, and then you do the other. Okay.
Nothing.
One really small.
He's got a good perception of what people.
Yeah.
I spent, yeah,
Good.
I spent over $500. This is how I eat Japanese food.
Tweezers.
Yeah, my wife got so mad at me. We went.
Don't see the trees, maybe like a week or so.
Use your hand outside, okay? So you twist with one and you follow with the other. Boom, boom. And at the end, you keep this a little bit longer. Now this is torch.
No, bring your own tree, and then the workshops are set up with
Big Joe, there's wires on the center table.
Okay, on this one right here.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Thanks for coming.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for having me. So, enjoy it. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's another thing. Okay.
Some black pine there. Oh, you're good. Don't worry. Don't worry.
There's only 2 dogs here.
Are they as nice?
No, they're small. And they're not as pretty.
Did you sleep okay?
No.
Oh, he likes to sit on
Look at this.
Oh, really?
I don't know what's that song.
Have fun. Yeah, and I bought 2 yellow pot, and you know what? I saved 15.
All right, we're going to the other workshops now. So this is the Kusamono.
That's the rose, yeah.
You're doing Kusamono?
It's
Oh,
Island.
Judy.
Hi, how are you?
It's Lucija. Look at her. She's doing Kusamonos. So pretty. Look at those.
Yeah. Look how pretty.
So they're working on Kusamonos here.
Yeah. Here's the man that circulates all the bonsai conventions.
Oh, jeez.
I appreciate you being here.
Oh, and she look at she has a PowerPoint. Look at that, the presentation, everything. Look at some of the finished product. You got some finished products here. Some supplies.
Oh, we had all the kits. Pots.
Oh, look at those pots. Does it have little hearts on them? There, shit. Look at you'd never know. There's a little Easter egg. She has a heart on every single one of her.
Easter egg.
They're Easter eggs. Don't ever know.
These are the I Love Lucy pots.
Yes, yeah. You've never known. Now you know a little secret if you're going part during her little Kusamono things.
Only available in the workshop.
It is only of those exclusive.
Yeah, you
It is exclusives.
One of my excellent students.
See what kind of.
That's why I took you.
Let me see what have you made so far?
It's bubbling.
This right here. It's kind of falling apart. This one I thought was kind of nice.
What do you like about it so far?
Are you done now?
Just like it's really easy to do, and it's really so many different options. And this one's kind of cool. So there's like 2 different ones. So
Awesome, man. Hope you had a great day so far. Oh,
There's Mel.
there's 2 rooms. There's 2 rooms. 2 workshops. Oh, it's 1 giant room. So there's a workshop going on at the same time. So you got some heavy hitters in this room. You got Mel, Akita, Dennis. You got Julian Tsai. Doing work on this workshop right here. So I think it's a one-on-one workshop. I think. I can't tell. You have an elm workshop. Elm workshop with Steve Sullivan. Nice little elms. I'll do a quick interview when I get a chance here. Bill Hilvers. It looks like some hornbeams. Yeah, it looks like hornbeams from here.
That's what they started like.
Oh, look, that'd be perfect. So yeah, see, there's some hornbeams. Look at that. You can tell by the striation, leaf pattern. That is lovely hornbeams. Nice gray bark. Okay, so I can.
Well, no, that's what he was saying. This is for a sale.
So it's a big, nice workshop on.
We can, yeah, they're pretty far apart. They have to be far enough apart to get at least one wrap per acre. So the deal with wire that a lot of people don't understand is that there's some really basic engineering rules. Okay? The wire has to be big enough to facilitate the bend that you want. Okay? And most people choose too small a wire. So there's a way to overcome that. You choose bigger wire. In some cases, it looks pretty friggin' ugly. When you do big wire in a small tree like this, an alternative is to use 2 pieces of wire and double wrap it. Okay, it looks a little nicer. It's a little friendlier to the tree because it widens the focal and bend, but it takes more time to do that. The next thing is that you have to anchor the wire somewhere because you're going to apply force. You're going to be moving something, okay? And there has to be an anchor so that force can be distributed to something that will hold. So if you wire these 2 pieces together, there's nothing holding it. It's just wobble. You have to anchor it to something that's moving. And so there is this common perception with a wiring technique that you can wire this branch to this branch and take it right here. Perfectly okay. It's a very common way to do it. There's enough of a bend there that it's still wrapped around there.
That's really cool. Some good lessons there, right there. About wiring.
No, I'm good. I'm good, thank you.
Well, not remove it.
Thank you.
Here's Mel working on some junipers here, wiring some lovely junipers. Some looks like some nanas.
There's all kinds of things. Mother Nature can't do all, does this stuff. For you to do it, go this way, or you can go this way. 1,000 ways you can do it. I just showed it. This one's tall. Chin on this. One's going that way. Here's this here. It doesn't matter.
All right, so that's the workshop here. I don't know. We'll wing it. All right, Kelly, what do you think about the seminar so far, the workshop so far this morning on Friday?
Fun.
That's it? Just fun?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm hungry
geez.
right now.
No, she's hungry. Apparently, so went to see Marl Stemberger. We got Suthan doing their Bring Your Own Tree workshop. We got Steve Sullivan doing elms, Mel doing some junipers, and of course we got I forgot his name. Sorry, doing these. Bob, yeah, Bob Hilvers doing. Thank you. That's why I have you on the camera. See, it's great. Doing the Korean hornbeams. So that's pretty cool. So
Well,
that's.
the moral critique this morning was good.
Oh, I didn't get a chance. I was doing other stuff, but yeah, I'm probably saying I can hit their critique tomorrow. But on that, if you guys like the video, like and subscribe, and this is for Friday, so let's wait for Saturday now. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.